Hey friends! Backup cameras provide essential visibility, helping you eliminate dangerous blind spots and park with absolute precision in any environment. In this video, we're taking a look at the best backup cameras in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Auto-vox Solar Wireless Backup Camera. This system represents the pinnacle of user-friendly technology, offering a genuine 2-minute DIY setup that requires no drilling or complex electrical work. It utilizes advanced frequency hopping technology to maintain a rock-solid digital signal, ensuring your 5-inch HD monitor displays a lag-free 1080p image at all times. The unit is powered by a high-capacity 5000 mAh battery that receives constant trickle charges from its integrated solar panel, potentially allowing for months of use without ever needing a manual plug-in. We were particularly impressed by the dual-channel support, which allows you to add a second camera to cover front or side blind spots easily. Its IP69K waterproof rating ensures it can handle high-pressure car washes and heavy storms without a hitch. Furthermore, the Smart Sleep mode intelligently conserves power when the vehicle is stationary, only activating the crisp, vivid display when you are actually ready to reverse. This is an ideal solution for drivers who want a high-tech upgrade without the headache of professional installation costs or messy wires hanging across their dashboard. Next up, our second product, the Xerox Club Wireless RV Backup Camera. Specifically engineered for the heavy-duty demands of the RV lifestyle, the BW7M system provides an expansive 7-inch IPS monitor that produces stunningly accurate colors and wide viewing angles. It is a dream come true for owners of Furrion-ready vehicles, as the camera snaps directly into pre-wired mounts for a seamless, factory-look installation. The dual-antenna 2.4 GHz wireless tech is remarkably powerful, maintaining a clear signal over distances of up to 100 feet, which is perfect for the longest trailers and motorhomes. Safety at night is guaranteed by 6 high-intensity infrared LEDs and an automatic light sensor that switches to night vision mode the moment ambient light fades. You can expand this system to include up to 4 separate cameras, giving you a full 360-degree view of your surroundings on a split-screen display. The inclusion of loop recording on the monitor means this system also acts as a security DVR for your travels. With its rugged IP69K construction, it is built to survive years of road salt, dust, and extreme temperature fluctuations while keeping your expensive rig safe from unseen obstacles. Coming in at number 3, the AV Magnetic Wireless Backup Cameras. For those who need a temporary or highly flexible visibility solution, this magnetic Wi-Fi system is a standout choice that provides incredible stability without any permanent mounting. It features 4 industrial-strength magnets on the camera base, allowing you to snap it onto any metal surface, such as a truck tailgate or a trailer hitch, in mere seconds. The 5-inch HD monitor connects via the cigarette lighter and delivers a sharp 1080p feed that remains stable even at distances up to 100 feet in open areas. Nighttime visibility is crisp and clear thanks to the 9 integrated infrared LEDs that pierce through total darkness to reveal hidden hazards. This system is particularly favored by those who tow multiple different trailers, as the camera can be moved from one vehicle to another without any tools. The monitor also supports split-screen functionality, allowing you to monitor 2 different angles simultaneously if you decide to purchase an additional camera unit. Its IP68 waterproof housing ensures that rainy days won't interfere with your hitching process, making it a reliable partner for agricultural work, commercial shipping, or weekend camping trips. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Arapta HD Backup Camera. As one of the most reliable wired solutions on the market, the ERT01 delivers a lag-free, high-definition video feed that wireless systems occasionally struggle to match. It utilizes a sophisticated 6-glass lens array and a high-performance imaging chip to produce true-to-life colors and exceptional clarity in any lighting condition. While it requires a bit more installation time due to the 26-foot RCA cable, the result is a permanent, interference-free connection that works perfectly every time you shift into reverse. The camera features 10 automatic LED lights that illuminate the path behind you, making it much easier to back into tight driveways or dark parking spots. Its metal housing is built to last, boasting an IP69K rating that stands up to the harshest environmental debris and road grime found in daily driving. The 149-degree wide-angle lens strikes a perfect balance between a broad field of view and realistic depth perception, effectively eliminating the blind spots that lead to accidents. Backed by lifetime technical support and a 2-year warranty, this camera offers an unbeatable combination of affordability and professional-grade performance for any sedan or pickup truck. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Zrus Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera. This is a comprehensive, high-end monitoring suite that combines massive battery capacity with the convenience of solar charging and magnetic mounting. The camera is equipped with a giant 10,500 mAh internal battery and a 6W solar panel, ensuring that it remains powered up even during extended off-grid adventures or long-haul trucking. The 7-inch 1080p monitor is a high-resolution powerhouse, supporting up to 4 cameras and including a 32GB SD card right in the box for immediate loop recording. With its 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, this system offers one of the broadest views available, allowing you to see traffic coming from the sides as you back out of parking spaces. Installation is a breeze. You can stick the magnetic base to a steel bumper or use the included metal plate for fiberglass RV shells, making it the most versatile unit on our list. The system also features a convenient remote control, allowing you to toggle between views or adjust parking guidelines without reaching for the dashboard monitor. Whether you are navigating a crowded campsite or a busy construction zone, the dual antenna signal stability and rugged IP69 waterproofing make this system an elite choice for total vehicle awareness. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.